Hello, hello. Good morning, everyone. I've got someone who's trying to say hello down here. So, good morning. So it is 9:49. I feel like I'm stalling because I literally have an hour. And whenever I don't have a lot of time and the market's moving slow, as it looks like it might have been this morning, no, we've had some all right move. If I'm just looking at the 610 from 9 to 9:45, there's a decent amount of bars on the 610. We're not going to see that same amount of bars on the 1597 or the 4181 or 10946. It's going to look like a much smaller amount of a move. But I have a lunch with someone at 11, so I have an hour. I've also been going to some networking meetings. I go to a networking group every Thursday morning. I've become a member there, and it's a small one in Sugarland where I live. And honestly, y'all, I'm really not going there to build my business. I'm going there because I'm in my house all day long and I need to meet new people. I mean, like, the more involved I've gotten with responsible day trading and the more involved I've gotten with I've got a new business that's coming up pretty soon that I'm excited to tell you about, but I can't just quite yet. But the more involved that I'm getting with all of this, the more it is, I'm in my house more often. I'm doing less out with friends, and I'm meeting lots of wonderful people online, but I crave face-to-face interaction. It's got to be part of my life. So, and I've met some great people there, and I've met some opportunities that I think I'll be able to take part in. I don't know if any of those people will be a part of responsible day trading in the sense that they become a student. But you know what? It's so wonderful to meet new people and see what they're doing and being able to see how we can inspire each other to do better in our own business ventures. I mean, you've got a woman who's sending out holiday cards. So we all got a Halloween card this year. And I've only been there for about 2 months now. So it's pretty exciting. I don't know. I feel pretty cool having these new friends. There's another gentleman who does videography, so maybe I'll get some pointers and learn a few things there. What I'm saying is I love spending all my time with trading and responsible day trading and my students. I'm also finding things that give me some other senses of fulfillment. I'm a hands in all kinds of baskets type of chick, and so I'd like to be able to open up my mind to new opportunities and just be able to be open to meeting new people and seeing new things. And it's just, there's a lot of great people. Anyways, I'm rambling on. It's 9:52. I have about an hour, so let's go check out the market. This is interesting. Let's pull up the daily chart really, really quick. Okay. This is such a hard space. The BBs are still bluing up, which tells me more up, but we have this area that we've just kind of been bouncing back and forth in between, which is what's really slowed everything down. Everybody's probably in the same kind of mindset, like, ooh, the MACDs are leading lower here. We are inside, so we didn't have the strength that we had here, but with the fact that we are inside and these are still moving sideways and these are still blue, I might anticipate this to continue up, but it's gonna have a struggle. Let's see if it's gonna grab me here again. Take this one out. Hey. See how patience pays off, y'all? Potential reversal bar here. I think I'm going to go ahead and take one out here. Showing a reversal bar. I'm exiting this one. I'm hitting close. I'm seeing a reversal bar pattern here. It's not that I think that this isn't going to continue up. I think this has a really strong chance to give a very decent pullback. We have that major retracement divergence still happening between these pivots. We've pulled really far away from these EMAs, which tells us the potential to snap back to them. We've had some signals that we've reached an extended target or an extended area on the 610. It can absolutely keep going up. 9.75. All right, so that was 45 minutes. I saw reasons to take an entry here. I just couldn't bring myself to do it. Let's mark these. It's 2 trades, 2 wins. Oh, 1.5. I think I'll leave them on here so they can be spread out a little bit more. So that was pretty easy to maintain. It really is a matter of patience. And had I not been going on this lunch today, I may have chosen to hold longer. We have no divergence on our 1597 right now. The MACDs are actually leading a lot higher. So we are going to anticipate this to continue up. So yeah, I guess that's going to wrap it up for me. I mean, what you going to do? My time has been a little limited lately. I've been doing, owning a business is something brand new to me. So I've had a lot of meetings. I've had a lot of learning curves. There's something going on with my homework not showing up for people right now. I'm sorry. I'm going to fix that today after I go to lunch. And then I'll fix that. Then I'll get to work out. And then I still have more to do. So it's a good busy, though. It's a happy busy. It's seeing people grow and move forward and knowing that we're all on the right path. So, all right. I hope everybody has a fabulous Thursday. I don't even know if I introduced myself today. Fabulous Thursday. Today's what, 23rd? 24th. As always, guys, I look forward to catching you on the profitable side.